Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a DirectX runtime error in Valorant. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you basically running on the latest operating system and you update your GPU drivers. So what you need to do here, first on search you just need to write check for updates. And then press here check for updates, and if there is an update for you on your operating system that you need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can update your drivers. So go to device manager, your GPU drivers, then go to display adapters, then press update drivers, search automatically and update it. And of course, depending on what GPU you're using, AMD or NVIDIA, there is two apps for that. So if you're using AMD, you can download AMD Radeon app, and if you're using NVIDIA GeForce Experience, you can NVIDIA GPU, you can install GeForce Experience. And then you need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you, please download, install it, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to look for your DirectX basically program here. So what you need to do here on search, you need to write diag, right? And then you need to look what DirectX version you're running. So for me, it's DirectX 12. So what you need to do here, if you're running DirectX 12, try to run to DirectX 11, and if you're running to basically with DirectX 11, try to install DirectX 12. And to do so, you just need to open up your browser and then write DirectX, for example, 12, and then go to official Microsoft page here, and then just save it and install it. And if you're running with the DirectX 12, just install 11 here. And also same thing here, go to official Microsoft page here and download from here, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to reinstall Vanguard. And to do so, just on search write installed apps, and then on search here you need to write Vanguard, and then simply uninstall it. But make sure that before you uninstall, you're not running basically any tasks related to Riot Client, Vanguard, or Valorant, because it won't let you basically to uninstall it. So probably it will be here on the system tray or on the task manager, like here. So end all the tasks related to that, and then press install. And if you want to install again, just run Riot Client, sign up to your account, and it will be not a play button but update, and it will reinstall Riot Vanguard, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.